Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to begin looking at division. You just took your topic 4 in 5 units assessment on multiplication, and now it's time to start working with the inverse operation, and that means the opposite operation, division. So division is when we break apart something into equal groups. So for example, if we look here, there are 12 chocolates and 3 friends want to share them. How do we divide the chocolates? Well, you'd probably take the chocolates and you'd start separating them out, right? One for Miss Posk, one for Miss LaPlante, one for Miss Ciccolone. And repeat that process until the main pile of chocolates is gone. And how many chocolates would each person get? Well, if we look at the picture, each person would get 4 chocolates. So that represents 12 divided by 3 equals 4. In this upcoming week, we're going to learn about 3 new vocabulary words. The very first one is called dividend. Dividend. Try saying that one at home. Dividend. And dividend is the largest number in the equation. And that's the number of things being broken apart. So the dividend in our last example was the chocolate. The divisor is how many groups you're putting it into. Okay, so that's the number of people in that last example. And the quotient is the answer. Okay, so how many chocolates would each person get? So in this example, we have 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Now you're going to have a chance to try with 4 different examples. So what you're going to do is you're going to actually drag the little pieces into groups. So for this example here, it says there are 12 students and 3 buses. If students are divided equally, how many will ride each bus? Drag the pictures to solve the problem. So what you're going to do is grab each of these little kiddos and you're going to put them on the bus. And make sure you're paying attention to what you're doing so you're doing it equally. 1, here, here, and here. Okay, they all have 1. Now 2. I'm making sure that I'm spreading them out equally. And 3. And the last one. Oh, perfect. I have the same number for each one. Now I'm going to spread them apart and see. How many do I have here? Okay. Yes. So if I have 12 students and 3 buses, there are going to be, double click, and then you're going to type 4 students on each bus. Okay. So you can do the same with the frog example, the spider example, and the bird example. And then make sure you turn it in when you are done.